Are you crafting something unique, or are you just painting by number? If your videos feel like they're blending in and not standing out, you might be stuck in the paint by number trap. And trust me, that approach is holding you back from reaching your full creative potential. That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video: how to break free from cookie cutter creativity, craft videos that wow, and start creating the kind of work that gets you noticed by the professionals. So stick around, and if this hits close to home, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, if you're ready to elevate your videos starting today, check out my free workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos. It's short, actionable, and packed with tips you can use immediately to craft stories that stand out. But if you're serious about leveling up, and I mean serious, my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, is the game changer you've been waiting for. This course is a step-by-step blueprint to take you from decent video creator to someone who's in demand. You'll learn how to craft award-winning videos for high-end clients and create stories that actually move the needle. These are the same tools and techniques I've used to produce award-winning videos and land clients who demand the best. And by the end of this course, you won't just know how to make a great video, you'll have created one you're proud to show off. So here's the deal. Don't let another week go by making videos that don't represent your potential. Watch my free workshop. And if you're ready to go for the big leagues, jump into the master course. Click the link in the description below. Okay, now let's get back to why paint by numbers just doesn't work. Here's the problem with paint by number creativity. It lacks soul. Sure, it gets the job done, but it doesn't engage. It doesn't surprise or delight your audience. And in today's world, if your video doesn't stand out, it's just noise. Think about it. How many videos have you seen that use the same transitions, same music, same shots? They're safe, predictable, and forgettable. Crafting a video isn't about following a checklist. It's about designing a story that feels different. It's about creating moments that stick with your audience long after they've finished watching. If you want to escape the paint by number trap, here are 3 things you can do right now. Number 1, start with story. Don't hit record until you know why your video matters and what emotion you want your audience to feel. 2, experiment with style. Break your own formula, try a new shot, a new color grade, or a different kind of music. Stretch yourself creatively. Number 3, focus on connection. Think about your audience. What do they care about? What will resonate with them? This is the approach I take for every video I make. It's not just about shooting something, it's about crafting something that connects. Here's the harsh truth. Paint by number creatives never make it to the creative big leagues. They stay stuck on the farm team, doing low-level projects that no one remembers. But the ones who rise to the top, they take risks. They craft their stories. They create work that wows audiences. And that's what gets them booked for high-end gigs with clients at the top of their game. The good news is, never too late to level up. That's why I created my workshop and master course, to help you break out of the rut and start creating videos that wow. If you're ready to dive deeper into this process, watch my free workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos. And if you're serious about going further, my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, will guide you step by step to create videos that audiences remember, share, and talk about. Click the link in the description below. Spots are limited, so please don't wait. You ready for the takeaway? You have the ability to create videos that matter. Videos that don't just fill a slot in someone's feed, but videos that connect, engage, and inspire. Don't settle for paint by number creativity. Pick up your brush, mix your own colors, start crafting stories that wow. Who knows? You just might find yourself playing in the creative big leagues. If this video spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.